My name is Rick Renner, and this is November 5th, and our gem today is called How to Behave in the House of God. There is a way to behave in the house of God. I'm so grateful that when I was a child, my parents told me how to behave in church. They taught me that the church was a place to be respected, and in church, I needed to behave correctly. And we have a scripture for that. In 1 Timothy chapter 3, verse 14, the Apostle Paul says you need to know how you ought to behave in the house of God. That word ought is the Greek word dei. It describes an obligation, a necessity, something that is obligatory. It means there is obligatory behavior in the house of God. The word behavior or behave is the Greek word anastrophe, a Greek word which describes you're rising up, you're sitting down, you're coming in, you're going out. It describes what I would call polite or cultured behavior. And now the Apostle Paul uses these words to tell us we need to know how to behave, how to conduct ourselves when we are at church. Teach your children it's a place to be respected, and teach them how they ought to behave in the house of God. That's what I want you to think about today.